Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. Today I'm very excited. We've just reached the 8,000 subscriber mark and I cannot believe it. It's because of all of you guys and the great support you guys have given me over the years that we've reached this milestone. And with that, we are pretty excited to announce that we are going to launch the YouTube membership program. Just so everyone knows, it's just a small little perks you guys can get if you join the channel. So for instance, there's going to be a few perks where you will have like priority comments, or you can take part in polls, and then there'll be another option which is slightly more expensive, which is going to be the part where you can connect to me directly. We can have a social server, most likely a WhatsApp group or a Discord server or something similar to that. But in general, it's just I've seen so much people asking for help in the comments below, and it's almost impossible sometimes to help them because you have a few lines that you can do. You don't have the ability to upload a screenshot or have anything else like that. But also, it's just not so as interactive as we possibly can have. I mean, I'm a part of so many social groups that it's so nice to have a cohesive place where you can just have a good chat and you can see where everyone's going and what their interests are, what new content you can possibly make, what their needs are. And I feel if you have something like where you can interact, we can make better content for everyone on the channel. Plus, you can have early access to new videos. You have ideas that can go into actual videos as well. And it just makes a great place where everyone can be involved and obviously take part in the whole place. So I'm really, really excited about this whole thing, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to be excited as well. And yeah, let's see if this works, and if you guys join, and we can have a nice chat on the channel. So yeah, I'm pretty excited.